Hi and welcome back to the Sector Malaysia channel. Today, we're unboxing two scanners from the Element P135 series. Let's get started. First, we'll unbox the Element P135 Wireless 2D scanner and see what's inside. As we do, here are some key features: multi-language barcode transmission, a wide-angle image sensor, precise red aiming sights, and high-speed 1D and 2D barcode reading. Once everything is taken out, you'll find a small card inside the box. Simply scan the QR code to access the user manual. Besides that, the scanner is also highly versatile, compatible with docking stations, iOS and Android phones and tablets, and more. Removing the bubble wrap, the scanner is revealed. Let's take a closer look of the scanner. Here's the cradle, perfect for securely docking the scanner. Next we have the cables. There's a USB to RJ50 cable to connect the scanner to the cradle, and a USB to Type-C cable for charging the scanner when using it wirelessly. To charge the scanner, find a USB-A port and connect the USB cable. Plug the Type-C end into the scanner, and it will start charging automatically. For cradle use, connect the USB-A end of the cable to a power port and plug the RJ50 connector into the slot located at the bottom of the cradle. Now, you can see the scanner powering on, indicated by the blue light. Place the scanner on top of the cradle, and it's ready for use. Now, let's test the scanner. There's both a QR code and a barcode on the box, and as you can see, it scans both easily. Even the small QR code scans without any trouble. Next, we'll unbox the Element P135 Handheld 2D scanner. Let's take out all the items from the box. As we take the items out, here are the key features: a 0.3 megapixel camera for 1D and 2D codes, 100% in-house technology with easy upgrades, and plug-and-play support via USB or RS-232. Then, remove the bubble wrap from everything to see all the contents clearly. You'll find the stand, the scanner, and the RJ50 connector cable. Let's take a closer look at the scanner. From its solid build to its ergonomic design, it's made for durability and comfortable everyday use. Here is the RJ50 connector cable, used to connect the scanner to the system. Next is the stand. Assemble it using the screws provided in the box, just tighten them by hand, and it's ready. Let's take a look at how to assemble the stand. While putting it together, you can also check out the scanner's other features. It has a rugged casing with 1.2 meter drop resistance and IP54 protection, works with Linux, Android, Windows, and Mac OS, and is ideal for retail, pharmacy, and public sector use. Once assembled, simply place the scanner on the stand. You can adjust the angle to suit your usage preference. Now let's turn on the scanner. Simply connect the USB-A end to a power source and insert the RJ50 connector into the slot at the bottom of the scanner. Once it's ready, let's try it out by scanning both the barcode and the QR code. The scanner delivers high-speed scanning with fast and accurate decoding. This concludes the unboxing. The P135BT is recommended for Bluetooth use, while the P135HH is suitable for Wi-Fi applications. Overall, the features are similar. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in pricing or availability, don't hesitate to contact Sector Malaysia for more information. Subscribe today for more upcoming videos.